Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a very simple Dollar Tree DIY glam project for you. And so today we're going to be making a mercury glass glam heart. So I'm going to be using this bowl that I picked up here. It's like a candy dish from Dollar Tree, a heart-shaped candy dish. I've got a candlestick holder, one of their little silver or nickel trays. Got some E6000 glue, which we may or may not need. I've got some hot glue, which we may need. Got some masking tape, of course, to tape off the glass. And then I've got some diamond wrap from Dollar Tree. And I've got some of these gemstones from Walmart. I also have in my stash some acrylic top coat spray paint, which I'll be using after I have sprayed the inside of this with the mercury glass, with the mirror effect spray paint. So it's going to give a mercury glass effect or a mirror effect to the heart. So I'm going to go ahead and get this heart-shaped dish here. I'm going to go ahead and get that taped off, and then I'm going to take it outside and spray paint it. Once the spray paint has dried, I'm going to go over it with the top coat of this. And once I get those two steps taken care of, then I'll come back and share this with you guys. So let's get started. And here you go. I've got it all taped off. So now I'm going to take it outside. I'm going to spray it on the inside with this mercury glass, or with this, I keep saying mercury glass, with this mirror effect spray paint. And it's going to give a mirror effect on this glass. So I'll be right back. Okay, and while the paint is drying on the heart, I am going to go ahead and get started on this pedestal portion of the project. So I've already measured it out. I'm going to need 3 rows of this diamond, or these diamonds from the diamond wrap. So I've already gone ahead and measured that out. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut what I'll need. Okay, and so now that I have both of these pieces, I've got the diamond wrapped pedestal here, and now I've got this mirrored heart. I'm going to go ahead and add some gemstones to this. I did not use the vinegar and water on this to turn this into more of an aged mercury glass look. I've decided to keep it nice and shiny, just like it is, more of a mirror. And if you'd like to see how to use vinegar and water solution to turn this into an aged mercury glass look, I will link above a video where I've done some candlesticks as mercury glass that I did use the vinegar and water solution on. So I'll go ahead and link that above. But in the meantime, I'm going to get started adding some gemstones around the top of this. So we'll go from here. But isn't this gorgeous, guys? I mean, so many options with this beautiful piece. I love the gemstones, how they work with the mirror effect spray paint on this, and the pedestal. This is beautiful for Valentine's Day. If you want to do a glam Valentine's Day theme, this would be beautiful as a centerpiece. And now I'm just going to start. As you can see, I've got this floral foam in there. And then I'm just going to start building my arrangement, just like that. Just following the shape of the heart. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.